How to turn off sleep mode on Instagram 2025. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. You need to go to your profile. Now tap on the profile at the top bottom right corner. Now here you can find the menu. Just tap on this menu at the top right corner, and here can find the notification option. In this how you use Instagram, so you can simply tap on the notification. Now here on find the sleep mode, you can see this stop on sleep mode, and you can see the sleep mode is enabled. So you can see the start time in time and the days where the sleep time is activated. It's turn off that here missing business or to list of days. In a turn off the sleep mode on an Instagram, you can see the selling many socks will be turned off. And that's it. By following these simple steps, your Instagram will stay active and responsive at all time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.